Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with GE dishwashers, the error code LOC from 2025 models. If you've ever seen LOC flashing on your dishwasher display and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. This code typically stands for lock control, which is often a safety feature like a child lock that's been activated accidentally. Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix that you can handle at home. First, let's break down why this happens. The lock error is designed to prevent unauthorized use, so it might kick in if someone presses buttons too quickly or if the control panel is locked. In 2025 GE models, this could also be triggered by a power surge or a simple user error. The good news is that resetting it is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. To troubleshoot, start by unplugging your dishwasher from the power source for about 60 seconds. This gives the system a chance to reset. Once you plug it back in, try pressing and holding the lock button, usually located on the control panel, for around 3 to 5 seconds. If that doesn't work, check your user manual for the specific model, as button combinations can vary. For most 2025 GE dishwashers, you might need to enter a sequence like pressing start and cancel simultaneously. If the error persists, it could indicate a more serious issue, like a faulty control board or wiring problem. In that case, it's best to call a professional technician to avoid any risk of electrical damage. Remember, always prioritize safety. Make sure the appliance is off and unplugged before you start tinkering. Wrapping this up, understanding and fixing the lock error can save you time and money. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.